Ever wondered how they achieve this? No, it's not magic. You're about to find out. You blink, you miss it. You're about to look like a design genius. Make your audience glued by this trick. Ready to make your text play hide and seek? Let's go. Welcome back. Let's quickly access behind objects. Open up your CapCut app as you saw on the thumbnail. Click on new project. Import the video you already made that has a plain background. As you've seen, this video has a plain background, so it doesn't have any text on it. Click on text. Click on add text. Then type any text at all you want to use. So let's use subscribe. Now we have our texts. The next thing we are going to do is to drag the text to be in the same line with our video, then cut out the remaining. That copy link or text, that CapCut watermark has, just remove it at the end. Now adjust the subscribe text to the position you want it to be. So I want my own to be more like down on the ground, so I position mine to be that way. I tried to click on style, clicked on font. So here I was given opportunity to choose any font at all. Just play with the fonts to choose anyone you like. I finally settled for the play fair display. I had to adjust the subscribe or word I use fonts. Now let's go and change the color of our subscribe text. Yeah, I clicked on style and it brings me here to change the color of the words and its border. So you can see a lot of colors can be changed. You can play with the colors as well. So I changed to, I think, white. Yeah, and I didn't like it. I went back for the red and black border rather. So we're going to animate the subscribe text. So click on animation. Then here you determine how the text comes in and goes out. So for in, I use slide right. When you look down, you see that you're given opportunity to adjust the way the text comes in. Adjust it a bit, and let's go for the out. So I tried zoom out. I didn't really like the effect. Yeah, so I went for spin out. I went ahead to adjust it. I think I like this one. Now we've carried out the first step. We'll go ahead and export this particular video we've done and head over to step 2. So click on new project. Import the video that has the subscribe text on it. Now click on overlay, add overlay, bring in the one that doesn't have any text on it. Adjust the overlay to fit in so that it doesn't glitch at the end of the day. Now look for cut out, click on remove background.
As you can see, this video was shot when CapCut has not put Pro on the remove background feature. Now they have added it. The only thing you have to do here is to screen record your editing when you are done in CapCut and go and resize it.
Thank you. The background is removed. Can you see I'm standing in front of subscribe? Hey, now today my phone go break. This one doesn't want me to serve you guys content. You can save this video as a guide to elevate your own video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.